I have an appointment at pain management today. Yeah, I'm still hurting. I don't know. Hope they can manage this pain better than me. Anyway, I know I haven't made a video in a while. I think I've got a couple on this card to upload, edit and upload. But just thought I'd give you an update. If and when I get outside, I'll turn you around here. I'm going to show you around the bed bug. I've got her hooked up to the trailer. I don't know if you can see it back there. And then the trail manor. The bad thing about having them out there in the backyard is I can see them when I'm resting in bed, and I can hear them calling to me, "Lori, let's go." I'd love to, but to be honest with you, I don't even know how I'm going to make it to the doctor today. Anyway, I got to get ready. My appointment's in like 3 hours, but it's going to take me that long to get ready and drive to town. So I'll bring you back later, or I'll upload this video, one of the two. Bye.